One of the questions that keeps on coming up on our YouTube channel, on our Instagram page, Facebook page, and even at donsappliances.com is, why are there no top-load dryers? There used to be a top-load dryer. Fisher & Paykel, a little over 10 years ago, had a top-load dryer that matched their top-load washer. And the way it worked is there was a mechanism inside that the drum would actually close like a clam. And when you wanted to get into that dryer, you had to hit the stop button. It would get to the point where it was at the top and it would unlock. The big drawback was, one, way too many parts. Two, clothes sometimes got caught in that mechanism. And three, it just wasn't reliable. What tends to happen with dryers is that over time, between heat, lint, and usage, there are a lot of parts. But with a drum that's essentially uniform and there's only one seam that gets ground down, clothes really don't have many places to get caught. But if you have a mechanism that opens and closes when you're pulling clothes or loading clothes in, that's going to allow things to get caught and ultimately fail over time. So we're not going to see in the near future any type of top-load dryer until we can figure out how to make that more reliable. So if you have any comments, comment below. We'd love to hear from you. We'd like to have this discussion in further detail. People have different ideas and we'd love to hear them. Thanks.